guys, welcome back to our channel.
This is JAA German Academy.
And today we're going to start our first chapter of class 6 German.
Hallo of the book Hallo Deutsch. So, as the name suggests, Hallo means hello.
So in this chapter we're going to learn some greetings like,
Hello, how are you, etc.
and we're also going to learn alphabets and digits.
And some conjugations of different verbs.
So let's start learning alphabets.
Das alphabets, or in English, the alphabets and their pronunciations.
A is pronounced as A.
B is pronounced as B.
C is pronounced as Z.
D is pronounced as D.
E is pronounced as A.
F is pronounced as F.
G is pronounced as G.
H is pronounced as Ha.
I is pronounced as I.
J is pronounced as Yot.
K is pronounced as Ka.
L is pronounced as L.
M is pronounced as M.
N is pronounced as N.
O is pronounced as O.
P is pronounced as P.
Q is pronounced as Ku.
R is pronounced as R.
S is pronounced as S.
T is pronounced as T.
U is pronounced as U.
V is pronounced as Wow.
W is pronounced as V.
X is pronounced as X.
Y is pronounced as Epsilon.
Z is pronounced as Z.
So we have some special words in German. A, U, O.
These are called the umlaut letters. As you can see, these are special because the A, U and O have dots upon them, and the S, double S is called the ligature.
For your better understanding, we'll also see a video on alphabets of German. So let's go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
So now we're gonna learn numbers.
From 0 to 20.
So 0 is pronounced as null.
1 is pronounced as eins.
2 is pronounced as zwei.
3 is pronounced as drei.
4 is pronounced as wir.
5 is pronounced as fünf.
6 is pronounced as sechs.
7 is pronounced as sieben.
8 is pronounced as acht.
9 is pronounced as neun.
10 is pronounced as zehn.
11 is pronounced as elf.
12 is pronounced as zwölf.
13 is pronounced as dreizehn.
14 is pronounced as vierzehn.
15 is pronounced as fünfzehn.
16 is pronounced as sechzehn.
17 is pronounced as siebzehn.
18 is pronounced as achtzehn.
19 is pronounced as neunzehn.
20 is pronounced as zwanzig. So now we'll see a number video so that you can learn better.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
So that's it for today's video.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.